Fabio's hot tub tonight.
Yeah. Open pad.
Someone hit it. Someone hit it. Someone hit it. Someone hit that.
Someone get out and hit it.
Hold on. No, we need a knife. We need to cut it open, right?
No, just rip that ish open.
Give me a piece.
Oh, there's juices.
Wait, do not spill that. Close it up.
Slap it.
Let's put different things in front of it and just turn it up and see if it falls over. It's like, for first one's gonna be this banana.
Well, if the music will work.
Have the right spot now.
Alright.
Say that hard, I'ma say I'm harder. They gon' say that grind, I'ma grind smarter. They gon' say they shining, but the lights is on me. Only 3 things start shining. Now I'm ballin' up. Now I'm ballin' up.
I don't have anything to plug this into.
We just want to plug this in the car, so we just got to get the male part, put it in the car, and then we get the female part, and then we put that one from the speaker into it.
And they have baby speakers.
Baby speakers. Congratulations to the boy.
I think we should.
Already.
Let's check the sub count. Let's check the sub count. Do not show the password.
No passwords.
Wait for it. Let's see where we're at. Still 228. You know what that means? We have to make our 228 subscriber play button.
Let's do that. Let's get it.
Respect.
Right now.
So.
Oh, hold the phone!
At Nathan Phillips' house.
Once upon a time, we were all hanging out at my house. A boy named Christian said, "Hey, do you guys want to hang out?" And we said, "Yes." Do you know where this is going?
I think so.
He said, "What's the address?" And we
Dude,
said,
that kid has
"It's
AirPods on,
blank,
let's jump
blank, blanking street." And he said, "Okay, I'm coming." We gave him the wrong address.
Turns out it was just Nathan Phillips' house.
Turns out, Christian comes to the house and says, "Oh, I knew that was the wrong address. You guys can't fool me." But then the next day, Nathan Phillips told me that his dad answered the door.
And you lied to us!
7% of our fan base is from Canada, so...
Dude, for real?
Can we get a shout out for Canada?
Shout out maple syrup.
Imagine your currency is loonies and toonies. How mad are you? Sorry, please subscribe.
Because it's the biggest
So did
bag.
you sub to our YouTube channel?
Video.
Nice.
You're in a 2-seater video.
You didn't sub.
I'll sub. I disliked a video. And then she reliked it because she liked that.
Stop. Alright, let's go. We gotta go. Fry was here. Yeah, she was like leaving.
Not potato? He's a potato.
Dude, have you ever seen a star fruit? A slab of bologna. Right here. Yeah. No, and you just cut out a triangle to make the play button.
Out of the entire thing.
Like, no, right in the middle. Like, just a section in the middle. Ooh. You get the shot of yourself.
Okay, what?
Dude, I'm actually not looking forward to that video anymore.
Something you have to say?
Where did you get this from? Dude, stop. I don't want that. What did you say?
I'm telling them to pass.
You throw that on my car?
No.
I hate you. Dude, why would you do that?
Power move, bro.
I wasn't gonna leave.
Get it with like the sun in the background. So it looks super nice.
How about no? Why?
Bro.
come off.
Ready, trick shot?
Oh, you got it.
Yeah, go.
Oh my god.
Stop.
Now what do we
Stop.
What do we do with it now?
Stop.
Trick shot time?
Put it on that Porsche. Dude, Merry Christmas.
Okay, where should we go?
Trick shot, ready for this?
Where did it go?
Bologna. That's all it's called. That's from my car.
Throw one on.
What?
What would... Oh, it's so moist. Oh, I'm just gonna dig in. Just 228. That's respect. Just not an antenna.
There's no antenna. Oh, shit. Oh my
Hate it.
god.
Fresh one.
Hate it! F off.
Another one?
Okay, that's good.
On the cage. Dude, let's start pitching some bologna to each other. Okay, curveball.
Yeah. That was a terrible toss.
Where do you want me to throw it?
Higher. Higher. Yeah. When it's coming down, I'm just.
You ready?
Yo, someone catch the fish, bruh.
This is so hard to tear. It's just not a triangle at all.
Dude, that's how you make bologna juice.
What do I need to do? Dude!